Discover essential and budget-friendly gadgets with our guide to 12 budget-friendly gadgets you must have. From wireless earbuds to smart plugs and compact chargers, these affordable tech solutions enhance your daily life without breaking the bank. Elevate your efficiency and entertainment with these must-have gadgets that offer exceptional value without compromising on functionality. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and I'm thrilled to have you here for another exciting video. Today, we've got something special in store. So, if you're into cool gadgets but on a tight budget, you are in the right place. And here is our number 12. Philips Hue White. Philips Hue White is a versatile and smart LED bulb designed for customizable lighting experiences. Offering warm white light, it seamlessly integrates into the Philips Hue ecosystem, allowing users to control brightness and ambience through the Philips Hue app or voice commands via smart assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. With the ability to set schedules, create scenes, and integrate with smart home systems, Philips Hue White enhances home lighting, providing a comfortable and personalized environment. Its energy-efficient design and compatibility with various fixtures make it a practical choice for modern, connected homes. Number 11. WiFicom. The WiFicom is a feature-rich and affordable smart home security camera that ensures peace of mind. With 1080 pixel HD video quality, two-way audio, and night vision capabilities, it provides comprehensive surveillance. The camera seamlessly integrates with the Wise app, offering remote monitoring and notifications. Its compact design allows flexible placement, and the magnetic base ensures easy adjustment. The WiFicom also supports cloud and local storage options, making it a versatile solution for users seeking cost-effective yet robust home security. Its user-friendly interface and compatibility with voice assistants contribute to its popularity in smart home setups. Number 10. ield No-Touch Forehead Thermometer. The ield No-Touch Forehead Thermometer is an advanced and user-friendly device for accurate temperature measurement. Utilizing infrared technology, it enables contactless temperature readings by simply aiming it at the forehead. With a 1-second quick response time, it provides instant and reliable results. The thermometer features an illuminated LED display for easy reading in any lighting condition. Its non-invasive design makes it ideal for families, ensuring hygienic and convenient temperature monitoring. ield's No-Touch Forehead Thermometer offers a high level of precision, comfort, and hygiene, making it a valuable tool for healthcare at home. Number 9. Dragon M601 Gaming Mouse. The Dragon M601 Gaming Mouse is a high-performance device tailored for gamers seeking precision and comfort. With an adjustable DPI range up to 3200, it accommodates various gaming styles. Ergonomically designed, it provides a comfortable grip during extended gaming sessions. The mouse features customizable buttons and RGB lighting, enhancing the gaming experience. Its durable build includes smooth gliding Teflon feet and a braided cable for added longevity. The Dragon M601 strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it an excellent choice for gamers looking for a reliable and budget-friendly gaming mouse. Number 8. Kingston Digital Data Traveler. The Kingston Digital Data Traveler is a reliable and compact USB flash drive designed for efficient data storage and transfer. With various capacities available, it offers ample space for documents, photos, and multimedia. Its USB 3.0 interface ensures high-speed data access, making it ideal for quick file transfers. The compact design with a protective cap ensures portability and durability. Kingston's reputation for quality and reliability makes the Data Traveler a trusted choice for users seeking a cost-effective and dependable solution for their portable storage needs, whether for work, school, or personal use. Number 7. Techmath MagGrip. The Techmath MagGrip is a versatile and user-friendly magnetic car mount, providing a secure and convenient solution for hands-free smartphone use in vehicles. Its adjustable design easily attaches to car air vents, ensuring a stable grip. The strong magnetic hold accommodates a wide range of smartphones, offering 360-degree rotation for flexible viewing angles. With a compact and straightforward design, the MagGrip ensures easy installation and removal. Its compatibility with various devices and reliable magnetic grip make it a popular choice for those seeking a hassle-free and efficient way to keep their phones accessible while on the road. Number 6. JBL Studio Pro. JBL Studio Pro headphones deliver an exceptional audio experience, combining affordability with impressive sound quality. Designed for comfort during extended use, these over-ear headphones feature plush memory foam ear cushions and a fully adjustable headband. With 40mm drivers, Studio Pro provides rich bass and clear highs. The folding design and detachable cable enhance portability, making them suitable for on-the-go use. Equipped with universal controls and an integrated microphone, they facilitate hands-free calls and audio playback control. JBL Studio Pro headphones are an excellent choice for users seeking immersive sound and comfort without compromising on value. Hey, if you're enjoying this content and finding value in what we are sharing, I'd love to invite you to join our community. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Subscribing not only helps support the channel, but also ensures you won't miss out any future updates. Plus, it is free, so go ahead, click that red button and become a part of our family. Alright, let's get back to the video. More exciting content coming your way. Number 5. RAVPower Portable Charger. The RAVPower Portable Charger is a reliable and high-capacity power bank designed to keep your devices charged on the go. With varying capacities available, it caters to different charging needs, featuring multiple USB ports and fast charging technology. It efficiently charges smartphones, tablets, and other USB power devices. The durable and compact design enhances portability, making it an essential travel companion. Built-in safety features protect against overcharging and short circuits. RAVPower's reputation for quality ensures a dependable power source for users, offering convenience and peace of mind in managing their device's battery life. Number 4. Logitech M330. The Logitech M330 Silent Plus wireless mouse is a quiet and reliable peripheral offering an exceptional user experience. Engineered for reduced noise, it ensures a silent environment without compromising performance. With a comfortable contoured design, it fits naturally in the hand, providing a comfortable grip for extended use. The advanced optical sensor delivers precise tracking on various surfaces. The mouse boasts a long battery life, and its energy-efficient design contributes to prolonged usage. Logitech's renowned quality and attention to ergonomic details make the M330 Silent Plus an ideal choice for users seeking a noiseless and comfortable wireless mouse. Number 3. Hutu USBC Hub. The Hutu USBC Hub is a versatile and efficient accessory for users with USB-C devices. This hub expands connectivity, featuring multiple ports such as USB 3.0, HDMI, SD card reader, and more. The USB-C power delivery port ensures simultaneous charging while using other functions. With a compact and sleek design, it is highly portable, making it convenient for travel or office use. The hub facilitates seamless data transfer, 4K video output, and compatibility with various peripherals, streamlining connectivity for laptops and tablets. Hutu's USB-C Hub is a reliable solution for those seeking enhanced connectivity options in a single device. Number 2. USBC Tripod. The USBC Tripod is a versatile and portable solution for stable camera and smartphone support. Featuring adjustable legs and a 360-degree rotatable ball head, it accommodates various shooting angles. With a compact and lightweight design, it is ideal for travel, vlogging, or capturing creative content. The tripod extends up to 51 inches and includes a wireless remote for convenient hands-free operation. Durable construction and a universal compatibility make it suitable for smartphones, cameras, and GoPro devices. USBC Tripod combines flexibility and durability, making it an excellent choice for content creators and photography enthusiasts on the go. Number 1. BenQ EReading LED Desk Lamp. The BenQ EReading LED Desk Lamp is a cutting-edge illumination solution designed for optimal task lighting. Its intelligent lighting technology delivers uniform and flicker-free light to reduce eye strain during prolonged use. The lamp features adjustable brightness and color temperature, catering to individual preferences and different tasks. With a sleek and modern design, it seamlessly integrates into various environments. The built-in ambient light sensor automatically adjusts brightness, providing an ergonomic and comfortable workspace. BenQ's EReading LED desk lamp combines innovation and style, ensuring a visually optimized and health-conscious lighting experience for work or study. And that's a wrap for today's video. A huge thank you to each and every one of you for tuning in. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave any comments or questions down below. Till next time, take care and thanks again for watching. Bye for now.